Patterns are a useful tool in Inventor when you need to replicate a feature or components. You can create a circular, rectangular, or a pattern along a sketch. Activating the engine cover, create a circular pattern of the last hole created, using the cylindrical body to define the rotation axis. Expanding the dialog, change the positioning method to incremental and set the distance to 90 degrees with 3 instances. When it's done, you'll have 3 holes on 4 of the tabs. Using a joint tool with the alignment, attach the engine cover to the engine case. Then, using another joint, connect the screw in place to the engine cover. Now, start the Pattern Component tool from the Assemble tab and the Pattern panel. Select the screw, then select the circular pattern you made in the engine cover. Immediately, Inventor will recognize the number and the spacing of the instances based on the feature pattern. If at any point this number or spacing should change, the component pattern will update to suit. To test this, reactivate the engine cover and change the circular pattern from having 3 instances to 4. When you go back to the top level of the assembly, the component pattern will update. While this is a simple example, the basic workflow translates to any of the patterns.